Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to customize tab bar on Facebook. So if you want to customize your tab bar on Facebook, here is a shortcut on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is tap on three line icon. Then once you tap on this, then you tap on the gear button. Once you tap on the gear button, then scroll down under preference, tap on tab bar. Then right here you can customize the tab bar. So right here you can hide some tab bar on. You can also add some tab bar to your Facebook menu. So here are the list of the tab bar that I have, and right here you can also configure them by just tap on the auto. Then from here you can hide or you can pin, and you can save. You can apply this to all other tab bar in Facebook. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and like the video. Thanks.